something grain.
Jeez. Oh my gosh.
420 grain. 4570 plus peas.
Oh my gosh. I don't.
Be careful, it's gonna kick like a son of a bitch.
Yeah, I think that's putting it lightly.
Well, I want to get rid of those close so we can have his dad reload them with 300 grain in there.
Make them a standard load.
Something standard.
Jeez.
Well, can't you hold it?
Well, I want to try out John's contraption. I'm going to shoot one free first. I'm going to shoot one without. Oh my gosh. You've shot this before too, right, Chris?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I have too.
Alright.
Hey, be a back stuff when we catch it.
Jeez.
Are you happy now?
Oh yeah, I am.
I'm glad he's happy, Chris.
The feeling of freedom.
Gosh. Fuck.
It's comfortable, huh? That nice rubber grip.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
There leaves a little dust behind when they shoot
Woo.
How was that?
I gotta finish the box. We have 3 more. I'm gonna use John's little stand. Oh, oh Lord.
He bought a whole bunch of 4570 and it was all hot plus pea shit.
Jeez. Just set that down for a minute. Thanks.
It's amazing that there's that much weight and a big rubber grip and it still just fucking hurts to shoot.
The first round, the trigger guard caught my finger a little bit. I'm gonna finish these 4 and then I don't think my hands can do anymore.
Oh,
I know, I'm a sweet little I'm a dainty little princess.
that's okay, no.
I got these little girl hands that my mom gave me.
All right, no. You want some more?
I'm good.
More to shoot.
Yeah, when the rubber is left on your hand.
Oh gosh, yeah, hey, let's get a photo of both the rubber on both of our hands. So you know that stupid movie Looper? This is what the space cops or time cops are using in Looper. And that's why I think Rian Johnson's a hack. I'm like, you don't shoot this thing one-handed like a badass. And it also doesn't reload fast.
I haven't watched that. They got it on free Amazon or something like that.
You know, it's actually not bad. I'm just mad at Rian Johnson for ruining Star Wars.